We've now hit spring, which literally means summer is right around the corner. Today, I'm going to share with you the one change that you need to make in order for you to lose that belly fat.
Exchange for gains.
What's going on, my good people, and welcome to my channel, Exchange for Gains. Today, I'm going to share with you that one change that you need to make, not only to reduce your body fat, but to finally get results. When it comes to losing belly fat, immediately a lot of us tend to think of doing hundreds of crunches, doing a ridiculous amount of cardio, and trying to stick to a diet plan which includes just salads and protein. Yeah, you might stick to it for the first 2, 3, or perhaps even 4 weeks. But if we're not seeing any results or any progression coming through, what tends to happen? We get frustrated, discouraged, and we eventually give up. Nutrition, resistance training, rest, and cardio are all elements of what it takes to lose belly fat. But that one real change we all need to make is our mindset. You need to have an agreement with yourself that results don't come overnight. Losing a substantial amount of belly fat takes time. A lot of us tend to go for maybe 2, 3, or 4 weeks of training, eating healthy, and due to the fact that we're not seeing any real results, we back down and we give up. We've had enough. It's not working for me. I'm finished. However, you don't know within your mindset, if you carry that on for the next perhaps 2 or 3 months, results are literally right around the corner. So change your mindset. Yeah, you can have you know about nutrition. Yeah, you know about resistance training. But if you have not got the correct mindset to maintain that and to carry that on in terms of consistency and being patient, you're bound for failure. Your journey is always going to be a marathon. It's never going to be a sprint. Depending on how much body fat you're actually carrying, your body may decide to lose fat in other areas before it even hits your stomach. For me personally, I started losing initially body fat in my arms and my legs before I even touched my stomach. It takes time. What you may see on Instagram, what you may see on YouTube, everybody's story is going to be completely different. Again, and it depends how much body fat you're carrying. If you're someone who's fairly lean and ready and you're looking to get results in terms of just tucking in that little bit amount of belly fat, it might take you quicker than someone that, who's carrying 30, 40, 50 pounds of belly fat. It takes time and every individual is different. This is a journey. This is your journey. And what you need to consider at all times is your mindset. Don't think that, putting a plan together or copying a plan or inheriting a plan or obtaining a plan is going to get you results within the next 2, 3, or even maybe 4 months. Some people, it can take literally a year, but stick to it. Okay, my good people, that is all from me for today. Like I previously always say, if you're free in this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Remember to add me up on the socials, the Instagrams and the TikToks. The links are literally below. But remember, in order for you to lose that belly fat, in order for you to lose weight or any form of fat in terms of around your body, it's all to do with your mindset. Have the correct mindset and I guarantee you will reach your goals. Peace.
Wait, no support, can even around place for hope and roll. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.